How to multiply fractions. Let's say, for example, 2/3 times 1/5. How to get the product of these two fractions? The process is just simple. Multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. So let us solve this. This is equal to 2 times 1, that's 2, and 3 times 5, that's 15. And that's the answer. How about this example? 2/3 times 1/4. So let us multiply the numerators. So this is equal to 2 times 1, that's 2, 3 times 4, that's 12. But then, this fraction is not in lowest form because the numerator and the denominator can be divided by a common number, that is 2. So this is equal to 2 divided by 2, that's 1, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. And that's the final answer. Now how about this example? 25 over 36 times 12 over 25. It takes a lot of time to multiply these two-digit numbers, and much more with reducing the product to its lowest term. But we have a shorter method of solving this. We call it cross cancellation. Let's solve this using cross cancellation. We cross out 25 and 25 because they have a common number to divide. They are both divisible by 25. So let's divide 25 by 25. That is 1. And another 25 by 25. It is also 1. Now for 12 and 36, they both can be divided by 12. 12 divided by 12, that's 1. And 36 divided by 12, that's 3. So we can now proceed in multiplying numerators and the denominators. So this is equal to 1 times 1 is 1, and 3 times 1 is 3. And that's the final answer. Another example, 3 over 15 times 4 over 8. So we can cross cancel 3 and 15, same as 4 and 8. So let's cross out 3 and 15, and they are divisible by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 15 divided by 3 is 5. And for 4 and 8, they are both divisible by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4, that's 2. And this is equal to 1 times 1 is 1. 5 times 2 is 10. So the final answer is 1/10. Now how about this example? 2/9 times 4/5. So can we cross out 2 and 4? The answer is no. It's because you cannot cross cancel if both numbers are in the same position. In other words, you cannot cross out if both are numerators or both are denominators. So let's solve this. This is equal to 2 times 4 is 8, and 9 times 5 is 45. So the answer is 8 out of 45. Now how about this? 6 times 1/9. This time, it's a whole number multiplied by a fraction. So how to solve this? First is we change the whole number into a fraction by putting a 1 in the denominator. So it's actually still 6. It's just that we changed its form. Now, let's do cross cancellation. 6 and 9 are both divisible by 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So this is equal to 2 times 1 is 2, and 1 times 3 is 3. And that's the final answer. How about this? 2 and 1/4 times 2/3. Now this time, it involves mixed number. So you have to keep in mind, in multiplying fractions, mixed numbers should be first changed into improper fraction before solving it. So let's change it to improper. So multiply 4 times 2, that's 8, plus 1, that becomes 9. So let's change it to 9. And this is now the improper fraction. So let's continue. Let's do cross cancellation. So 9 and 3 are divisible by 3. So that's 3 and 1. 2 and 4 are divisible by 2. So 2 divided by 2, that's 1. And 4 divided by 2 is 2. So this is equal to 3 times 1 is 3, and 2 times 1 is 2. Or in mixed form, 1 and 1/2. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have learned from this video. Please support my channel by pressing the subscribe button, and also write the math topics you want to learn on the comments section.